Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free Nutanix certification exam. The certification is NCP-MCA and NCP-EUC. So 6.1 now open for the scheduling. So get certified for the free with the Nutanix. Nutanix is officially opened the scheduling for the NCP-MCA 6.1 Multicloud Automation and NCP-ECU 6.10 end user computing certification exam, and the best part is that you can register for the free using the discount coupon. This is the coupon code before October 31st and 2025. The offer valid for the first 250 participants only. So worth of the this certification is $199. So Nutanix offering the free certification exam to help the IT professional upgrade their skill on the multi-cloud automation and user computing. So these two certifications are there. So test your skill on automating infrastructure application development across the hybrid and multi-cloud environment using the Nutanix Cloud Manager NCM and XPlay. So NCP EUC 6.10 validate your ability to deploy, monitor, manage Nutanix-powered virtual desktop infrastructure (VDI) and Citrix or Omissa. So exam open for the scheduling now. The test appointment starting on November 2025. Choose between the remote protecting and in a test center at the Pearson View Center. So this exam will be on Pearson View Center. So each candidate can register only one certification exam during this offer. So available courses are Nutanix Multi-Cloud Automation Administrator, NMCAA, and Learn Hybrid Automation and Hands-on Lab using the NCP and XPlay. Available self-paced online and instructor lead training, and Nutanix End User Computing Administrator, Master Secure and Scalable EUC Management with the Citrix. So important dates are the schedule exam scheduling open now, and NCP-MCA appointment start on 18 November and NCP-EUC appointment start on November 26, 2025. So free exam code valid until October 31st or until 250 seats are filled. So official link is this one. We'll go through the link and just connect with the social link, and there is a WhatsApp group and Telegram channel is there. You can connect with this. So I'm going to open this link. So updated NCP MCA NCP EUC 6.10 exam open for the scheduling and exam. So this is the download the exam blueprint guide is there. Schedule your NCP MCA exam now. And if you want to go in for the end user computing EUC Nutanix certified professional end user computing, so you can download the blueprint from here and schedule the exam from here. So one of them you can schedule. So just click this one. So sign up now, or you can log in with your email address if you are already logged in. So I'm going to sign up. So it needs the company name and email address. So use the company email address to sign up. Personal domains are not allowed. So go to login. I'll try with the company email address, password. So let me click again. So I'm going to try this one. You see. So this is the NCA, and I'm opening the both. So both will open with the same page. I'm going to schedule for the which one you want to schedule. You can schedule one of them, and this is the coupon code. So term and condition is there, one exam voucher per person during the promotional period. The exam voucher can be used to register either the NCP-MCA or NCP-ECU. So, but individual can be registered for the one exam. So promotional period will be end with the research on the 250 participants. Already I have told you. So I'm going to the MCA. So I'm going to the MCA. This is the certification multi-cloud automation. This one. So click there. Click on schedule. Available test. Let me check manage. AI already scheduled. Okay. So now I'm going for the okay. This is not working here, not a problem. So I'm going for the MCA, this one. Okay. Multi-cloud automation until 3/11/2026. So continue booking. I'm searching for the put that one. So online this continue. Skip verification for now. So skip capture now, but later on you have to submit your ID details. This will be the India time zone. So there will be just some planning for the 20th and 6:30 p.m. Book this slot. Now voucher code apply. So now you can able to see after apply the total price will be the 0 USD. So instead of $199, you are getting in 0. So click on continue. Other uploaded details are there. Now click on purchase. So there is a test detail is there. So multi-cloud automation 6.10, there is the 20th, and all the scheduling are there. And voucher code is this one. Already I have posted on my YouTube description also. So click on purchase. You can go with the survey or click on no thanks. So this is the your scheduling details for the NCP MCA. So just follow the social links. So these are the links, uh, groups, WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free Nutanix certification exam. There is a NCP-MCA NCP-EUC 6.10 now open for the scheduling. So get certified for the free with the Nutanix. There is a price is $199. Now free is this one. So share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Help them to certify too. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more free certification tutorial and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.